And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that this world, for the believer, is like a prison.
Yeah.
And for the unbeliever, it is like paradise. So there was a poor Jew who approached Hafiz ibn Hajar Asqalani, the famous scholar, who wrote the Sharah of Sahih Bukhari at this time. When he was walking in the marketplace, on his mule with his big entourage, so this poor Jew comes and catches his mule and says, your prophet said this, that this world is a prison for the believer, and for the unbeliever,
it's paradise.
It's paradise. I'm a poor man, my clothes are torn, tattered, you're so rich, you're having all the luxury. How can you explain to me this hadith of your prophet? So Hafiz ibn Hajar Asqalani said that I know what awaits for a believer in the hereafter, paradise.
That's right.
And if you compare paradise to any human being living in this world, he may be the richest man, he may be the king, but compared to the life in paradise, which is million times better, this is like a prison. If he knows the hell he's going to go in, even if the poorest man here, yet this will be paradise as compared to hereafter. So if you understand this hadith, that life is a test, then you will not strive to acquire wealth or power or status. You will strive to get benefit in the akhirah. That's it.
That's right.